This tutorial is going to show you how to create a header graphic, or really any graphic, using Google Draw. So you're going to go ahead and open your drive and click on New, and click on More, and go to Google Drawings. Once you're here, we're going to create a background. You can make a background on your entire page by just right-clicking and going to background, and you can pick a solid or a gradient background, and it will apply to the whole thing. Instead, I'll just do a Control-Z. I could add a shape and draw the shape. And again, I can right-click and just format, or up here I see my bucket and I can change my gradient here. And I can also change my border color if I so chose a border color, or I could say transparent and not have a border color on it at all. That's my choice. And then I can add text on here. I can select that text tool here and then type in my text. And once I'm done typing in my text, I can of course change my size to my text, and I can change some fonts, and there are some pretty fun fonts in here that you can kind of play around with. Then on your header graphic, you probably want to add some sort of image. You could use the drawing tools to draw something, but I'm going to click right on here, Insert Image, and again, I can use Insert for text block and image, or I can use these icons. I'm going to click on the image icon, and notice I could take a snapshot, upload my own, go to my albums like Google Drive or search. And I can search by different types. So if I wanted clip art, I could click on clip art and it will bring up solely clip art items. And it will place it on the page for me. And then, just like any other graphic, I can resize this and place it where I want. I can copy it. And when I'm finished with my header graphic, if I can bring up my handle down here on the lower edge of my graphic, just grab hold of this lower edge and bring it to fit around, and it automatically resizes it to fit the page. And when I'm finished, I can then say File to download as a JPEG image, or I could use that snipping tool to snip this image out, and then it will be a smaller size. So I'll go ahead and just save this onto my desktop for now and call it cats. And then I will go over to my web page, my Google site, and open up my Google site. And I could upload this into the header area, but if it doesn't look right, the way that I would prefer it to look, I can just do away with the header and put it below. So if that looks fine to me, I can click on the preview and be fine with it. If I don't, I can go down here on my header type and say title only, and then I can just insert an image and go find any image that I have on my Google Drive and upload it that way. So that is another way to get an image in onto my page. When I'm finished and happy with my page, and I want to make sure that I put something on both of my pages, I would add all my hyperlinks here. I would click Publish, and I will say anyone on the web, not just anyone at Great Falls Public Schools. And I probably want my site to appear in searches, and then I'm going to have to give my site a name. So this would be the URL to my page, and I'm going to click Publish. And then I'm going to view my page, and this is the hyperlink to my page. That's actually to my links page. I want to my home page. And this is what I would copy and paste and turn in so that everybody can see my page that I've created.